How long have you been trying to find the perfect tools to work well in your business? Well, you're in luck. Hey there, my name is Viku. I'm a longtime real estate investor and an AI consultant. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 9 tools that will help you out in so many ways in your business and in your personal life as well. Let's get started. The first tool is not a tool per se. It's a combination of over 200 tools and templates that allows you to just plug in your business use situations and get some output from ChatGPT. It's 100% free. It's a way for you to get familiar with using AI in your business in case you haven't learned how to prompt yet. Let's say you want to get a Facebook post, a LinkedIn post, or a Twitter reply, or even maybe a newsletter in your business. All of those are possible within this tool. Let's head over to my computer and take a look. All right, so to access this tool, you just need to go to aifreebox.com. Once there, you don't even need to sign up for an account. You can just jump right in and test out all of these tools. You will see a search bar here for you to put in any use case that you want to look for tools to use. They have different categories down here: content creation, social media tools, marketing and SEO, writing enhancement. Then further down, they have all the tools listed out. Once again, it's completely free, no hidden costs. You have AI song lyric generator. Then down here at the latest additions, they have new tools that they are adding all the time. Right now, I believe they have over 220 tools available. And let me see if I hit on discover all tools. Right, so we have 229 tools available. So there you go. Go to AI Freebox and test out the tools for yourself. Everything is free, no sign up required. Next up, we have GPT Engineer. GPT Engineer is a program that allows us to build custom web apps by having a conversation with it, either in English or in our native language. Now, I understand in business, a lot of time we just buy software from SaaS companies, from different providers, but there are occasions that we need something custom, and to have it customized like that with a coder would cost a lot of money for something that we just used in our business and no one else uses it. So prior to this, we would actually do the work manually or just ignored it altogether. But now, the idea that you have and say,
I wish the software could do that. Or that software could do that. That'd be amazing.
You don't have to wish anymore. You can just create it with GPT Engineer. Now, to access GPT Engineer, you just need to go to gptengineer.app. Now, as you can see, the tagline for this tool is ideas to apps in seconds. The way you would do it is describe what you want to build, get a first version in seconds, then iterate and improve with chat. Once you are done, just one click to deploy and share the app. So these are the feature projects that other people have built. Let's take a look. Remove background by Psyche. All right, now that I have logged into my account, let's take a look. So here this user started out by saying, I like to build an image editing app using AI models to do cool things. Can you use Hugging Face Transformer JS and build something really cool running on the browser? Then here, GPT Engineer suggested that the first version, let's implement the core features: image upload and preview, basic image transformation, AI-powered background removal. And this is the end products that we're looking at. But it didn't start out this way. That was GPT Engineer, a quick way for us to create web apps to use in our business. Now, moving on, let's talk about Napkin AI. Napkin AI is a free program for now that uses AI to create infographic based on our documents. Whatever documents you have, let's say you have a course that you created, an ebook that you are creating, and you want to create some custom infographic to use in them or your social posts. Well, now you can just load a paragraph that you want to make the graphic and into Napkin's AI. It will then spit out an image for you to use, fully customizable. Let's take a look. All right, so now I'm in my account. When you first access napkins.ai, you will need to log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you can just paste the paragraph that you want to make infographic for into it. So what I have here, I made a video on GPT Engineer and I broke down my process into 5 different steps. And here you can see, first step is sign up for GPT Engineer. Then step 2, browse for ideas on the main page or start creating the app and just describing what you want. Then step 3, continue to have conversation with GPT Engineer, iterate and revise the output. It will make it better based on your input. And then in my video, I asked GPT Engineer to code in an area for me to put in my API key and then just test and refine and publish. Then from there, Napkins AI created this infographic for me. Now I can click on all of these buttons, the minus to remove certain node or just leave it alone. I can hit this little purple button to download it and to use it. So yeah, just like that, you have some cool infographic to use for your business. It's free right now. I don't know how long until they start charging for it. So go to napkins.ai and start using it. All right, let's talk about the next tool then. That is NotebookLM from Google. It started out as a beta project from Google Labs. And in September of 2024, they finally released a new feature that took over the internet by storm, and that was audio overview. But when it started, it was really just a note-taking app. It was a way for us to centralize all of our notes, whether notes from when you're reading a book or going to a seminar. You can have a centralized hub for all of your notes instead of, like me, I have all my notes scattered everywhere. So it was a really good idea to begin with. Then they made it even better by allowing us to talk to our notes with their Gemini model. It enhances our learning, but it didn't stop there. Like I said, the audio overview feature was what took over everything. So let's take a look. All right, to access NotebookLM, you just need to go to notebooklm.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once there, you will be able to look at your own notebooks. Like what I have here right now is my own notebooks. And just like this one, the latest one that I generated from Gary Vee on social media, I actually put in his YouTube video and created this notebook. And for the audio overview feature, it sounds like this when you generate the podcast.
Yeah.
We got this keynote of his, and it's packed with some interesting insights.
Yeah.
I think the big thing that stood out to me is this is not the,
Right.
typical follower count is everything.
Yeah.
Just like that, you can now listen to a YouTube video on the go. Maybe you are an auditory learner like myself on certain subjects. It's certainly easier to listen to the information rather than watching it. Now let's go ahead and create the new notebook so you can follow along. Let me go back to NotebookLM. We're going to go to create new. Okay, here we can upload our sources. We can upload a PDF file, a text file, Markdown, or an audio MP3 file. We can also connect to Google Drive to have a Google Docs, Google Slides, website. If we have a certain website that we want to pull information from, perhaps a sales page or an article that you're reading somewhere, you can put that in here for it to script the article. You can also put in paste text. But for this example, I'm going to use YouTube so you can replicate what I did. I'm going to go to YouTube here, and all we need to do now is put in a YouTube link. So here I'm watching a video titled How to Become a Master Storyteller. What I'll do now is go to share and just copy the link. We go back to NotebookLM, paste that link, and hit insert. Just like that, it already pulled the information from that YouTube video. Now, right here, you can stop. You're done. You can go ahead and have conversation with this video by chatting with it. But if you want to take it one step further and actually generate a podcast, you can have a deep dive conversation here and just hit generate. You can also pass notes to the AI by sending in custom instructions and telling the two hosts where to focus its energy. Maybe you want it to cover from a certain angle to talk about the information in an easier way for you to understand, you can do all that here. Once you're done, just hit generate and wait a few minutes for it to finish generating. Then you are done. And by the way, if you want to learn real world use cases in your business using NotebookLM, I have done a video on that exact topic. You can check it out on the link above or in the description below. Now, the next tool is kind of weird to use at first. It's a tool that will clone your voice and give you a really high quality output. In fact, if you just generate a clone of your voice and spit out an audio, people cannot tell you apart. It got really good recently, but that's not what I'm talking about here. ElevenLabs was really good. However, they have just recently released conversation AI. It allows us to build conversational bot to have conversation with our customers on our behalf. Let's take a look. All right, to start using this tool, you just need to go to ElevenLabs.io, sign up for an account, and you can start using this. Since this is the first time I'm using conversational AI, I have to agree to the term. Let's hit agree. They have 4 agents for us to try. Let me try the travel guy agents and try a call to see what it sounds like.
Hi, I'm George. Can I help you plan an upcoming trip?
Yeah, George, I want to look for a place to travel during Christmas.
That sounds like a great idea. Christmas is a magical time to travel. To help me find the perfect destination for you, could you tell me a little bit more about what you're looking for? Are you interested in a relaxing beach getaway, a bustling city adventure, or something else entirely?
Well,
Do you
I'm
have
in
any...
Colorado, so I want somewhere where I can hit the slope and still get a relaxing evening.
That's a great combination. Colorado is a beautiful state, and I understand wanting to experience a different kind of winter wonderland. To help me narrow down the options, could you tell me if you're looking for a specific type of skiing or snowboarding? Are you interested in
So that was really good for a travel guy. Let me try support agent. This is more in line of what we'll be using. Let's try a call.
Hi, I'm Eric. How can I help you today?
Hey, Eric, you sounds like you just woke up. What's going on?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just really excited to help you today. I'm ready to tackle any questions or issues you might have. What can I do for you?
You don't sound exciting, though. You're not excited to talk to me.
You're right. I'm trying my best to be enthusiastic, but I'm still learning how to express that through text. I'm really eager to help you with whatever you need. Is there anything specific I can assist you with today?
All right, never mind. Okay, so it's a hit and miss on some of these agent, but you can prompt it and create your own version when you start using ElevenLabs conversational agents. Now, besides conversational agent, you can also use ElevenLabs to create sound effects. Not just clone your voice, you can now describe what you want and you can get some sound effects from there, like this. A car whizzing by. So now I have 4 generations. Number 2 sounds pretty good. Number 3 is really good. How about number 4? Number 4 is a fail. Let's listen. Number 3 again. Number 2. Yeah, I mean, I would download both 2 and 3 and see how it fits the video I'll be creating. The next tool that I'm really excited about is Claude Computer Use. Now, Claude allows us to use this model to control our local computer. So imagine you have apps installed locally on your computer and you want AI to control it and do tests for you automatically. Claude Computer Use allows you to do just that. Now, right now it's not perfect. Developers are getting their hands on the tool and they're trying it out right now. But when they have a production ready model, that will be an interesting time because now we can have AI talk to our computer and do tests like clicking the mouse, like typing out stuff for us. You can essentially teach the AI to work for you. Pretty amazing stuff. And if you want to find out more about Claude's computer use, check out the link above in this video or in the description. Next up, we have DeepSeek AI. Just like ChatGPT, there are a lot of things that DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT and other LLMs can help us in our business. But what I like most about DeepSeek AI is their latest model called the R1 Lite. This model can actually do deep reasoning just as good as OpenAI's ChatGPT. Or some might even argue that it does a better job. And you know what? It's currently free. With ChatGPT, you have to pay a subscription to get access to their O1 preview model, which is the model that can do deep reasoning. However, with DeepSeek AI, all you need to do is sign up for an account and you're ready to use their deep reasoning models. You are limited to 50 messages a day, but that's plenty. That's about the same or even more than the O1 preview model right now. Now, you might be thinking, why do you need a deep reasoning model? Perhaps you have a really long contract that you want to read through and understand everything to the letter, or you have a financial analysis that you want to do, but you don't want to hire someone to work on a small project. Well, you can have these models explain to you the contract or the financial analysis. I must warn you though, DeepSeek AI, like many other AI companies, it will learn information from you. So whatever information you feed to these models, there is a chance that they will learn your information. So be careful. Whatever information you don't want the public to know, you don't want to feed it to the AI. Next, we have a special tools that help with copywriting, particularly email copywriting. Hoppy's Copy is an AI that's trained specifically to help you write better email copy, making it really effective in writing email campaigns for us. It also offers over 50 templates for us to use in different stages of email marketing. Whether you want it to write a cold email for you or a welcome email sequence, they have templates for you to use in those cases. You also write a newsletter with a click of a button. Now, this next tool is a little bit different. It not only helps us in our business, but also help us in our personal life, especially when it comes to investing in the stock market. This tool, Carve-Out, will use AI to help us understand the stock market. Let's have a look. Now, to access Carve-Out, you just need to go to carveout.com. This is a paid tool. However, there's still a lot of things that we can do on the free plan. When you get here, you can start asking questions on this box right here. I believe we have about 20 messages a day that we can ask just on the free plan. We don't have to pay anything. But what I like about this tool is the sections down below. It allows us to see insider transactions. For instance, Dale Eric, a director of Bankwell Financial, we can see that Eric bought some more stock. Or down here, we have top Congress holding. Now, politics aside, we know that people in Congress have a lot of power and a lot of information. So when they buy a certain stocks, we might want to give them a benefit of the doubt because they have an advantage that we don't. So we might want to follow them. With the free plan, we can only see 3 stocks. Let me go to Democrats. The Democrats bought NVIDIA, Microsoft, and CRM. Those are the top 3 that they hold. How about Republicans? They have JP Morgan's, Comfort System, and NVIDIA. If you want to see any financial analysis, let's just click on the stock ticker here, and you will have technical analysis to read through and a lot more information that will help us make better decisions when it comes to investing in NVIDIA. Of course, this tool does a lot more. I'll let you explore on your own. So there you have it. We have gone through 9 powerful tools that I personally believe would help you tremendously in your business and personal life. We can use AI Freebox to test drive ChatGPT and create content for our business. We can use GPT Engineer to create custom apps to use. Make beautiful infographic with Napkins AI for our eBooks, our courses, or just social posts. NotebookLM allow us to store all of our notes and create podcasts for us to listen on the go, a way to have personalized podcasts, and personalized learning. ElevenLabs allow us to clone our voice, to use the conversational AI chatbot or voice bot, and also to create sound effects. Claude Computer Use, when it's production ready, will change the way we work. It will allow us to delegate tasks to our AI. DeepSeek's AI is an open source model that is just as good, if not better, than OpenAI right now. And it allows us to do deep reasoning tasks with AI. Copy allow us to write engaging welcome sequence with our email or our newsletters. And finally, Cafe let us use AI to pick out the best stocks to invest in and learn all of the information in a timely manner. If you love this video, I would appreciate it a lot if you could hit the thumbs up and like this video. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my future video. Comment below what tool you are most excited to try out, and if you want to learn how to create your own web app, that video is coming right up. Don't go anywhere. That's all I have. Until next time.